here at Potawatomi Hotel Casino. I'm going to play Mighty Cash Extra Reel. You can bet 1 cent, 2 cent, 5 cent, and 10 cent. If you look down here, you need 6 or 5 for that one to get into the hold and spin bonus. Alright, starting with a $60.42 ticket. I'm going to start out with just pennies on here and see how it is. I don't know if I played this one before on my channel, because I don't remember with the extra reel how this works. We'll find out. Minimum bet is $1 on here. Okay, obviously you need free games. You need 3 of them. Okay, we got Luck Has Arrived. Let's see what we get. Okay, we got the hold and spin. Here we go. See that we got 6 spins up there. Come on, fill them up. I'm sorry about the glare. You probably already know with all these new slot machines, they're so bright, they get a lot of glare. I'd like to get one over on this end so I can see what it does. Got one more spin left. Got a couple nice numbers in there. $14, that brings it up. Don't remember the name of the slot, but this one reminds me of another one that they have here, where you get the extra reel on the end. And I personally think they're a little harder to win on. Well, I'm going to cash it out. I'm going to go find another slot because I know how this one can be. I don't want to go and lose all my money on them. So let's see what we can do on the next one. Here is a picture of Sarah from Midwest Slots. I was lucky enough to meet her at Potawatomi Hotel Casino. She was going live, so I decided to come in and support her. So go check out her channel. I'll leave a link down below. I'm at Potawatomi Hotel Casino. Gonna play Lightning Links, Happy Lanterns. Put a ticket in for $60.47. I think I'm gonna start out with nickels today. Do a couple minimum bets. I believe it's $1.25. See if we can get anything going here. You need 3 of him to get into free games. And you need 6 of the lanterns to get into the hold and spin. There's no sound, I don't think, on here. There's a nice, oh, there is sound. Nice line hit. And remember, these are nickels. Come on. Play it down to 40, or if I get a bonus, then I'm going to switch it to a different denom. Come on. Oh, nice numbers in there. Look at those. Should have had one more. I said, sorry about the glare. There we go, a little something. Oh, and then it got blocked. Look at all those wilds. Come on, gotta get something here going. Alright, switch it up. Let's go to 2-cent denomination. $2 a spin. Music's loud in here today, so you're gonna hear me either talk or I'm gonna have to edit this out. Oh, $100 ball. Alright, let's go to pennies. To $1.50. Can you get any bonus in this one? Come on, let's get a bonus. Here. Ooh, 5 trigger. I've never got a 5 trigger. It's $150 just for the trigger. I'm enjoying this. I'm letting it go. All right, well, let's see what's gonna happen now. I don't know which one to pick. I normally pick the green and the gold for the Packers, and they did good this year. I know they didn't make it to the Super Bowl, but let's go for it. Hold and spin, please. Nah, the worst one. That's all right. I'm happy with the 150 start. Wasn't expecting much after that trigger, but I'm still happy. Started with $60 and I'm up to $164. So I'm already over $100 ahead. Never seen 5 trigger. Do some backup spins. All right, I'm going to cash out here ahead. $100, $160. I can't even talk. $100 ahead. You can also follow me on TikTok and on Facebook. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribing is always free on my channel. I post a brand new video every day at 10 a.m. Central. I will see you tomorrow.